we're now gonna open this. I get the Kyogre. I got the versus. I got a Groudon. Kyogre and versus Groudon. And then now we're gonna put them. We're gonna open them already. And then it's already night time. And then and also I can feel their reel. I can feel their reel. Their real box. It's a real Pokemon in a box. And it's strong. It's like a straw. And here today, sorry for that. Now we got Sun and Moon, Eclipse, and also you can when you go here today, when you go to our subscribers, we'll give your free chance to get a 1 pen in here. And then also we're gonna now start to open it. Now let's open this. Super strength. Wow. Now let's gonna have this. This is a damage counter. This is a holo card. This is the online code card. This is the Pokemon cards inside. This is the coins. It's sweet. It's like a shine like a diamond, shine like a diamond, shine like a diamond. And this is the reading section. Information card line, and this is the ones you get last time ago in the box. The electric fan is getting this of the card that you can get. Information for the Kyogre. No, this is the Groudon team deck, and then this are Kyogre deck versus Groudon deck. The Kyogre I got from the box. It's nice. It's like shiny. See, it's shiny. It's like rainbow. I open the deck here. Now let's go. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. Yeah. Okay. Oh no. Different by Japan. Look at the back. It's different. Diba? Oh, it's nice. It's a Pokemon. I'm not gonna say it. Unless you just do like this instead. Energy. Why is it still energy? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Drainer. Got a Psyduck. Don't make any noise, it will explode. 3, 4. Yay, we got a purple. I like this Pokemon, it can make bubbles. Mom, I want this. Oh, this is nice. Okay, now this is an apron, this is a gold tag, and then the next is this one, apron. And this is the bag. What? I got a bag? I got an energy, and then I got a Psyduck again. Diba I got a Psyduck already? Oh, I got a Pumpkin. I got already that one. Now the energy. There's a normal Pokemon. I got this last time in Japan, diba? Now we got, this is the English one, this is the Japanese one. The English one, this is the Japanese one. The The English one is the blue one. The Japanese one is the rainbow one. You can draw 2 cards. Oh, I can use this Pokemon. I want this. This is my favorite Pokemon ever. Oh, I like this. Energy, we got an Apple. We got an Energy. We got a Kyogre. Oh, I think this is the last time we got. We got 2 Kyogres. That's nice. Now let's go now. Let's go now. That's what I'm gonna save this card so that I'm not gonna have this Kyogre. It's nice. 2 Kyogres. Look. This is powerful. I can defeat your Pokemon, Dad. There's 2 Kyogres now. Look, example. Okay, we can. Okay, I can make this card. All the cards here in the Kyogre box. Now we got all the cards here. We got 2 Kyogres, we got all the cards, we got 2 papers, we got our load card number, we got already our tonnage points, we got already our own box, and we got already own a lot of cards. Actually, we're so smart. My daddy cut the blade over right here, and then we can also put it back. We will not use it. We can also do like this. Blah. And then now let's go. Now let's go do like this. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? We put it there, guys, so that we can let the cards safe. I'm gonna show you the back, in the sides, in the down, up, and in the here and here. Here already, and then now this is, we put it here back. Now we already unboxed this Groudon already. Now we're gonna now we're here. Now we're here. We got the card. It's shiny. Now we got our nice card. Now I need to open this. How to open this again? Now we already opened it. Groudon card. I'm gonna plastic this so that it will be safe. Because it's so really special. Now we can pasok it a little more. There's more here. Look at this. And look at this. This is last time a Kyogre. Now it's a Groudon. I like this. Now there is another Groudon. There's more Groudon here. Now we're gonna open this. Now we got it. There's an energy. Oh, I do not know this Pokemon. I don't have this Pokemon. It's Yan. And this is what is this? Litty and Lisa. Oh, there's a Mew, guys. We got a Mew. See? We will not attack us yet, but put 3 damage counts on your opposition's Pokemon in any way you like. And then it's Pal Pit to Ad. And now it's a Groudon. Groudon, I'm gonna burn you. It's 132. It's done. It's just 130. Am I gonna win this? And we got a shiny card Groudon, and we got a normal, and then they're like nice. This one is nice. This one is nice too, but it's not shiny at all. That's it. In the Groudon box, we got 2 Groudons. We got a shiny coin. We got energies. We got trainers. We got Pokemon monsters, and we got Pants paper, tonnage, and then we saw this before. And then we're now done today. That's it, guys. We opened 1 box of Kyogre and 1 box of Groudon. Don't forget to subscribe. You can win this pen when you subscribe in this channel. And then also be happy and be smart. Bye-bye.